The first recipe we are going to prepare today is the creamy pumpkin soup. For this recipe we are going to need half kilo of pumpkin. I'm going to use here the spaghetti squash and another small pumpkin. Then we are going to use one potato, one medium white onion, one stalk of celery, one carrot, a little bit of sage, 2 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of nutmeg, a pinch of white pepper, and 100 ml of oat cream or coconut cream. First, we are going to clean and chop the onion. And we are going to let it aside for later. Then clean and chop the carrot and leave it aside. We are going to use it later. And chop also the celery stalk and leave it aside because we are going to use it later. Peel and cut the potato and leave it aside, and then crush and peel 2 garlic cloves. We are going to cut the pumpkin in half and we are going to clean it. We are going to use a spoon to scoop out the seeds. Then we are going to cut it into pieces and peel the skin. Cut the pumpkin into small cubes and leave it aside. We are going to use it later. Pour some olive oil into a pan, then add the garlic cloves and the fresh sage leaves, saute them a little bit, and then add the onion, the carrot, and the celery and the pumpkin cubes. Then we are gonna add also 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of nutmeg, and a pinch of white pepper. I use white pepper because it is lighter than the black pepper. Then we are gonna saute them for 5 to 10 minutes over medium heat. At the end, we are gonna add the potato and 300 ml of water or vegetable broth. Then cover and let it simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it will be ready to be blended. You can use a hand blender to make it creamy, or you can put it into your blender, whatever you like. And as last step, we are gonna add the oat cream or coconut cream, whatever you like. And before serving, you can decorate your dish with some pumpkin seeds and pumpkin seeds oil. I love the pumpkin seed oil because it gives a very nice taste to this creamy soup. Enjoy it!